Perseverance and opportunity are the words that I think about when I think about NSU. My name is Julianna Bonetti, and I am majoring in chemistry with minors in pre-health, research studies, and psychology. I aspire to be a professor in pharmacology or neuroscience. I'd like to impact people's lives the way that NSU has impacted my life. A lot of the programs I'm a part of are for underrepresented scientists. It's important to diversify research and for everyone to have an opportunity. I'm in the URISE as well as the Razor's Edge research programs, but I'm also a part of President 64 and the Pressure Dance team. When I'm on stage with my team, it brings me so much joy. The adrenaline is at an all-time high. My family's from the Dominican Republic, and so I grew up on reggaeton and bachata, merengue, and so being a part of the dance team, I've been able to host workshops showing people this style of dance. My biggest inspiration is my family. I'm a first-generation student, and I want to just continue my family's legacy. Through their sacrifice, I've been able to just come to college, and being able to be the first graduate in the family means a lot to me. I'm very happy I chose NSU. This community has a big heart, and so I'm just so grateful to be a part of it.